Welcome back to another book review. Today we're looking at a catalog from HK. This is the Heckler Koch Weapon System Military and Law Enforcement Products Catalog. And with a little bit of research, I believe this is from the year 2000, and also based on what was listed as new products in here. That also puts us around the 2000 time frame. I did not see any specific dates in the catalog, which made it a little difficult to identify for sure. But comparing what is online on design history versus production history, there could be any number of years between those two different time frames. But the collaborative information online appears to place us in the year 2000. So looking at the front cover, we can see here a collage of stock photography of items and in the field photos. So let's go ahead and take a quick look real quick. You may recognize some of these distinctive items right away. We have some contact info at the time, so quite a bit of time has passed since the year 2000. So feel free to research current contact info and product offerings from HK. Looking at the back cover, we can see here some descriptive paragraphs. Okay, so let's go ahead and take a look on the inside. And this is basically specifications, descriptive paragraphs, sample photography is the format of this type of catalog. So we start off with the HK USP Compact Pistols. So you can see here certain examples, and then point indicator diagrams with the captions. Continuing with the USP pistols, more of a full-size version. And then on this side, we have the P7 pistols. And all of these have been in production for some time already. Here we have the Mark 23. A little bit on the history behind there. USP45 Tactical. The Expert. You see also various accessories on there as well. Here we continue with the MP5. And then numerous versions and configurations at the time here. Here you can just see just a list of some of the trigger groups that were available at the time. You can see the distinctive icon markings for those. Continuing with other versions, again, these were reconfigurable by the user to meet application needs. Continuing, more models. We'll get to that one in a second. So what you can see here highlighted are some of the new items. So this helped to date the catalog. These are two of the UMP platforms. On the right side, we have the UMP45, and here we have a UMP40. So again, this does help place this in the year 2000, as these were offered as new items. Continuing with the G36. You see numerous accessories, configurations, and the feature sets as well. Here we just have rifles and carbines. And again, some new items. This one is at the bottom here, the SL8-1, which was an American, United States specific gray stocked version that was imported. And also on here, another new item is the USC .45 ACP carbine. Here we have the HK Special Application products. As you can see here, two new items as well. The MSG 90A1 specifically, and here is the AG36. So that also places this catalog in the 2000 time frame. Here, of course, is HK21E version. Here we get into some pump action shotguns, and these were made in collaboration with Fab Arm. So here we have the FP6 series, and then various versions and configurations of them as well. So here's another source of information that could possibly be a route for more information, the Fab Arm brand. Continuing here at the bottom, I did not find a lot of information on this item, the Tactical Semi-Automatic 12 gauge, the Fast 20. So feel free to research any information you can on this item versus the pump versions. And here we get into accessories. So we're going to have a large kind of collage montage of different items for the different platforms. As you can see here, try to bring that more into focus. So here you have the pistol accessories, accessories for special application products. Here we have, roller locked rifle accessories. I'll try to do a little perimeter look there. And then on this corner, we have the MP5 accessories. So again, you can configure your items to meet your application needs. And as we get closer to the back cover, here we have the specification tables. So here we would have the models, and across the top, caliber, cyclic rate of fire, magazine capacity, modes of fire, sights, stocks, width in inches, height in inches, weight in pounds without magazine, sight radius in inches, barrel length in inches, overall length with an asterisk footnote there in inches. And kind of continues on this side as well. There's our footnotes, as well as kind of a glossary, which would be helpful there. And again, a look at some of the models that were listed in this year's catalog. Again, this is from the approximately year 2000, so feel free to research current product specifications, offerings, contact info from HK, Heckler & Koch. As they say here, specifications and model availability subject to change without notice. And again, back cover. So we're just taking a quick look at the HK Weapon System Military and Law Enforcement Products Catalog. from the year 2000 time frame. So again, feel free to research any current information and offerings from HK. This has been another book review. Feel free to check out other book review media reviews on the channel. We also do unboxing videos as well as show and tell videos on vintage milsurp tools and expanded topics. We also do a series called Curios for the Curious, videos on more artsy type objects. Feel free to check all those out. Feel free to like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. See you next time.